So yun na nga guys, no? Long time no see, pero basically may isa tayong pupunta na lugar na sobrang interesting ngayon, no? And it's been a while, pero basically pupunta tayo sa car show. Punta tayo sa car show. So basically merong isang tao dito na kilalang kilala talaga sa car scene na pupunta at pupuntahan natin. I think karamihan sa inyo nakita nyo na yung gawa niya. Basta maganda dito, pupunta tayo sa car meet, sa car show.
A few inches later.
So yun guys, binigyan nila ako ng stamp. Ipapastamp ko to, tapos pwede daw ako mag-spin. Tapos magkaka-price daw ako. So yun na guys, dito na ako. Ganda ng mga sasakyan, no? May Supra, no? MK5. Hindi ko na malayan, nandito na pala yung RWB. Eto, sa harapan ko pala. So basically may nakausap ako doon, pangalan Josh. Kailangan ko daw kumuha ng ticket kasi 50 lang na tao yung pwede maghingi ng autograph. So kuha tayo ng autograph ticket para makapag-autograph tayo kay Nakaysan. So bibili tayo ng ticket. So isa sa mga yung kukunin ko para mapa-autograph. Yan. Pwede daw ipa-autograph yan o kaya yung mga t-shirt. So yun na nga, no? Meron akong biniling parang rally art na emblem doon sa pinagkunahanan ko ng poster na yan, no? Yan ipapasign ko kay Akira na kay mamaya, kay Nakaysan. Ngayon, mag-aano din ako, magnanakaysan din ako dito sa sasakyan ko. Ito, panoorin yung gagawin. Ito, ilalagay, rally art, lalagay na emblem, lalagay ko doon. Ayan, gago. Ito si Akira ng ina. Akira Nakay. Ayan na. Akira. Akira na budget. Oh. Akira-san. Nakay-san. Oh. Ako din. May Nakay-san din ako. Nilakay ko dyan yung rally art na ano. So ayan, basically nilagay ko na yung rally art na emblem dyan, no? So, kahit pa paano may angas na yung car natin, nilagyan ko yung binili kong tig $10 doon. Ano, rally art na siya. Oh, ha? Pero magcha-charge muna ako sa loob. Hindi ako makapag-vlog ng maayos kasi kanina pa dead yung battery, no? So, charge lang tayo sa loob, babalik na tayo sa car meet.
moments later.
So kanina pa nga ako nasa loob ng mall kasi nagcha-charge ako, no? Pero may battery na ulit yung camera. Tingnan nyo tong build na to. Grabe. Kargado talaga. 350cc. Grabe guys, tingnan yung pinto. Tingnan natin yung loob. Oh shit. Kargado guys. Yung rim niya oh. Grabe, tignan niyo yung ano niya, yung Hyundai Genesis niya oh. Shit. Gago, laki ng ano, turbo. Ang intake pala, I mean. Tsaka yung turbo, laki. Gago. Ganda. So yun na nga, ang daming sasakyan dito, grabe, nag-enjoy ako. Uy, gago, may Evo dito. Tingnan nyo to guys. Ganda. Ganda ng Evo. Anong Evo to? Tingnan natin. Hindi ko alam kung Evo 7, 8, or 8. So nakita ko yung pinakamatindi sa lahat to. Tingnan nyo to. Tingnan nyo to, nakita ko. Yan guys, gago, angas. Eclipse. Pirma pa nila. Alam ko ito yung official eh. Ganda guys. Gago. Nakikita ko na to sa pelikula ngayon. In real life na oh. Oh gago. Eclipse ni Brian.
And I lucked out.
Damage to manifold.
Yeah, so I lucked out. I lucked out.
Gago. Pati laptop oh. Kasama yung laptop.
Yeah. Well, they're
Gago.
I didn't even bother with
Ganda. Hindi niya yung nasa likod guys. Grabe, parang LPG.
Where do you find your windshield?
Ganda oh.
Bassmasters? Twice.
Wow.
first time it showed up.
Sa Fast and Furious. Slips.
Time it showed up.
Ito na yung lisensya ni O'Connor oh. Oh. Brian O'Connor. License kaya no? Brian Earlsfielder. Ganda guys.
I went on it with 370.
Gago, pangarap ko to boy. Card ni O'Connor oh. Para sa opinion ko guys, yan ang pinakamaganda sasakyan dito sa buong car meet guys. Pero ito pa din talaga eh. Ganda. So guys, dito naman yung mga supercars natin. Tingnan natin. Dito yung mga supercars. Ayan o. Mga Ferrari, mga Maserati. Ayan o. Ito guys, Audi R8. Ito di ko alam ang model ito, pero alam ko Maserati siya. Ito Ferrari, pero hindi ko sure kung anong year o model. Hindi kasi ako sa Ferrari talaga eh. Sa mga exotic. Ito naman guys, Lambo. Ferrari, Lambo. Ang pipiliin nyo. Ako, Lambo ako eh. So yan, ang daming sasakyan dito no? Nakalinya lahat oh. Yan yung mga sasakyan dito.
it's the same one too.
Yeah, after I saw this car, I'm like, oh, that's it. Game over. I'm staying here.
No problem. Thank you. I appreciate that.
And I grew up in this car, like watching the movie and all. And
It's surprising how many people come by today to say that.
It's
This-
history right here.
That was, they had on VHS and they wore it out. And
yeah, and the CDs, and now
Yeah.
everything's digital.
Yeah. I'm glad that people like it.
Yep.
Because I was kind of worried. Like, you come here and you're like, oh my God, there's been like,
You don't mind the recording?
oh no, sure. Yeah, no, I kind of say whatever that, you know, you see Lamborghinis or Ferraris.
Nothing's gonna beat this.
Then
Nothing's gonna beat
I was
this.
like worried about, you know, like,
Yeah.
can people look down on it or whatever? But
No
actually, the
way.
response has been really good. So yeah.
Okay. What's your name again?
I'm
sir?
Todd.
Todd.
Yeah.
Ashley.
Yeah, you do,
Just
yeah.
showing this car here
Oh yeah,
in
no
this
problem. Yeah,
car show.
take videos, whatever.
Yeah,
So
thank you so much.
it'll be kind of cool to see on YouTube or not, like how many videos are going to be up
On there, of it.
Yeah.
And I'm talking to you.
Yeah.
That's crazy. And you're the owner, right?
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
wow. How long have you had the car for?
I bought it in 2023. It was a totally black, you know,
Black one,
black
okay.
car, whatever. I stripped it all down,
Literally in the medical.
started buying all the parts, try to get all the movie accurate parts for it.
It's difficult to find the parts for it. Like the
It is
accurate
because
parts,
now
yeah.
like these parts are like 25 years old.
Oh, yeah.
So trying to find the seats, trying to find the rims,
Yeah.
trying to find the shift. Yeah, it's just
Shifter and
really
yeah.
hard to find now.
Yeah.
And people know what they have,
Yeah.
and you got to pay up for the parts. so,
Exactly. And
yeah.
then how long did it take for you to?
I just finished it last August.
Last August.
Last August,
And it took you how many years?
It just took me about basically about 2.5 years.
2.5 years.
But it's not full time. Like
Yeah.
I just work on it maybe like
From
during
time-
the summer months.
Yeah, yeah.
It's warm.
Okay.
Don't do it during the winter time.
Okay.
And so
Sorry if
Yeah.
sorry to interrupt.
yeah, no problem.
Can I ask you, could you turn it on just to hear it? Is that okay?
No, actually the thing is we're not allowed to we can't turn the engines on here. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, it's kind of because that was one of the ground rules.
Yeah.
No,
They say-
no.
Yeah, no turning
Engine
engines
off,
on.
yeah, yeah.
No turning engines on.
Yeah.
And when you leave,
Okay.
don't be speeding.
Yeah,
Because
no,
there's
no.
the cops outside.
Yep.
They're waiting
Yeah,
for you.
yeah,
Yeah.
they
So
are.
yeah.
Grabe guys, talagang napaka-unexpected nung eclipse ni Brian O'Connor. Nakita natin, ganda talaga ng car niya. Isa yun sa mga pinaka-favorite kong car sa Fast and Furious series. And ang ganda in person, promise. Sana nakita niyo dito.